All right, I have my water boiling here, and I'm just going to pour it from the kettle into this pot here. Ooh, steamy. Okay. Oh, no, we can stop boiling. Hopefully that steam will go off the camera. All right. Oh, spa day. So I'm just going to dip this head in here carefully. And I am going to put it a little deeper than I normally do because I want to soften up that area around the neck socket. In fact, I'm going to pour a little more water in here so I can get that down in, because I really don't want to break another one. You know, I was just so confident with doing that until I broke that last one, and then, oh no, bubbles are coming up. I think she's drowning. Help, get me out. Okay, try and do this without getting burned here. I'll just take this out of the way and put her in here. So this head's going to be pretty hot now. Yeah, oh yeah, see how soft it is though? All right, so let's go down and up. Okay, and I hit my tripod, but we're off there successfully without any damage. So that's what I would advise doing from here on in, because this vinyl, it's aging, all of it, not just mine, on these older dolls, and that way you're pretty safe. It didn't damage this clip at all, because some of them, when you pull them off, this little clip gets damaged. Okay, let's see what we have up inside. I'm just going to take these other tweezers of mine that are a little longer and roll around up in there. And I don't know, nothing much is coming out. So that's a little bit concerning. But let's see how these plugs are now, if they'll pull out. Yes, more successfully. Yeah, definitely. It's still got some resistance there, but I'm guessing that glue in there is breaking down. So this is just going to take some time and patience here. You know, it's going to be pick, pick, pick. But you can see the pieces there coming out. And I might just continue to dunk her. In fact, I might just do it again here and get her warmed up and see if that glue inside breaks down. And this is just one of those things. It's a little bit time consuming, but with a lot of things in doll making, it's just part of the process. All right, and we'll be back when we get all this mess removed.